So it's the beginning of June, and that means it's Milorganite time. A lot of you probably wonder, why are we putting this biosolid fertilizer in our lawn? And the answer is, quite frankly, to add some diversity in your fertilizer profile. You want to put more than just one type of fertilizer in your lawn because you want to maximize the growing potential of your lawn. So we throw down synthetic fertilizer, we might as well throw down some type of organic biosolid fertilizer as well, so we can get the whole gambit of opportunities for proper growth and nutrition in the lawn. So why would you not want to throw down more than one type of fertilizer in your lawn? Why not? Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and remember to check out all my fun links and my Teespring store and everything down in the description. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in the lawn.